Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. Are you sick and tired of weight loss tips that don't work? Science is here for you. I have gathered up some of the scientifically proven most effective tricks to help you shed those unwanted pounds and slim down for good. Cutting sugar from your diet should be a number one priority as it is directly associated with obesity as well as a high risk of coronary heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. Cut sugar and sugar sweetened beverages from your diet to improve your health and weight loss progress. Always take a look at beverage labels and avoid products with sugar. One of the most common tips surrounding weight loss, drinking enough water, is proven to speed up weight loss in multiple ways. Dehydration can make you feel hungry, and drinking 500 ml of water 30 minutes before a meal will boost your metabolism, reduce your caloric intake, and help you lose fat more efficiently. Catching enough sleep is almost as important as exercise or nutrition if you are looking to lose weight. A proper sleeping habit is crucial for your overall health as well as for weight loss. Try getting the recommended 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep to ensure you have enough energy and that your metabolism stays healthy. Instead of prohibiting yourself from eating the foods you love, set a carb curfew. You don't have to give up carbs altogether. Quality is more important than quantity. Choose whole grains, which are lower on the glycemic index, a measure of how fast a food rises your blood sugar. Opt for complex carbs like whole wheat bread, barley, or oats, as opposed to refined grains such as white bread, white pasta, and breakfast cereals. Research has shown that whole grains may help keep hunger at bay and can help prevent weight gain in men and women. Portion size will affect how much we eat. When given a more substantial portion, people tend to consume up to 30% more calories in a meal. Eating off smaller plates could reduce calories on average by 527 calories a day, which could add up to a pound lost in a week. Researchers at Harvard School of Public Health followed 125,000 people between 27 and 65 for 25 years and found that the more fruits and vegetables they ate, the slimmer they were. The biggest impact was from blueberries, strawberries, apples, pears, oranges and grapes, chilies, pumpkin, broccoli and sweet potato. The researchers hypothesized that flavonoid chemicals in the fruits and vegetables also found in tea and onions might be responsible. The researchers recruited 332 people between 25 and 45 and monitored their movement 60% of the time and found the moderately active ones burned 200 calories more a day than the sedentary ones. But the really active ones did not burn any more than the moderately active ones. Broadly speaking, do half an hour of exercise and you will get all the benefits. The last 2% of the benefits are not worth doing another 2 hours of exercise. Studies show that people who get direct exposure to sunlight in the mornings between 8 am and noon reduces their risk of weight gain regardless of how much they eat. Researchers think it's because the morning sun helps synchronize your metabolism so you can burn fat more efficiently. The science on this one is still being written. While you will find far more studies that show skipping a meal, especially breakfast, causes a number of health problems, including increased difficulty in losing weight. There are studies that show skipping a meal has little or no effect on weight loss. Skipping a meal consistently can negatively impact your health and lead to nutritional deficiencies. Long-term stress makes you more prone to obesity, according to University College London research. That's because it raises your levels of the hormone cortisol, which makes your body accumulate and hold onto fat because it thinks you are in a life or death situation. Reducing stress, or at least your perception of stress, is easier said than done. Though strategies such as meditation and controlled breathing are proven to be effective. There are plenty of tips and tricks on losing weight, but not all of them work. Always rely on scientifically proven facts as they will provide you with real results and better overall health. Rather than dieting, try to establish and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.